even before the journey starts. Your Mercedes greets you with a brilliant light show, courtesy of digital light. Digital light also ensures that you have optimum visibility while driving. Just ahead of a steep hill, the range of the dipped beam headlamps will normally shorten. The innovative topographical compensation system reacts predictively on the basis of navigation data to raise the light cone. This ensures that the beam hugs the topography close at all times. The surface of the road is evenly illuminated, and other road users are not dazzled. Pedestrians in the road can be very difficult to see, especially at night. If the system detects a person in the road, digital light emits a marker light to indicate their position. If a stop sign is missed, digital light will work in conjunction with traffic sign assist to project a warning symbol onto the road. This same enhanced warning system is also used with red traffic lights, or if the driver attempts to enter a road against the permitted direction of travel. Some traffic signs greatly reflect light. By selectively reducing the light intensity, digital light minimizes their glare effect. Roadworks can often be tight and confusing. Digital light displays a symbol to alert you in good time if it detects roadworks. The system projects 2 lines of light for guidance purposes, indicating the width of your Mercedes and so providing better orientation when the lanes are narrow. For maximum visual range on long, straight stretches without traffic, the ultra-range high beam kicks in automatically. Thanks to our anti-dazzle partial high beam, you retain optimum visibility at all times, despite the presence of other road users. If the system detects oncoming traffic or vehicles driving ahead of you on the road, the high-resolution high beam is adjusted with the help of more than 2 million micro mirrors.
Let's start up front. That's a gentle welcome. As soon as I close the door, this is S-Class luxury. It's instant relaxation, almost like coming home. All right, finally, time to roll. Driving in S-Class is about style, comfort, and confidence. About calm serenity and perfect control. Same goes for the interior lighting. It creates a superior, comfortable atmosphere. And it does more. It also doubles as a safety feature. The S-Class always pays attention. For instance, at times when it gets a little confusing in traffic, digital light in the new S-Class can efficiently help you guide your way and see more clearly. Of course, it has all the power and performance it takes to always have your back. You know that. You don't have to show it. So what is it like to drive an S-Class? Take these benchmark seats. They are adjusted by up to 18 individual motors in one seat alone. There's no way to not find the perfect position. And there's the 4D sound built into the seat as well. No one else out there has that. But that's not the point. It's about how all of these signature details add up to a feeling of being in a safe space. That priceless feeling of being taken good care of. At the same time, the S-Class has always aimed for more than sheer pleasure for the driver. Here's a cool feature I would like to show you. What if we had some real VIPs in the back? I can take this content and just swipe it to the back. I'm sure kids will love that feature, and parents will too. Let me show you this. MBUX has services now for every individual passenger. It just keeps getting smarter. Hey Mercedes, turn on the hot, relaxing massage program and play me some jazz. You can see individual MBUX services for every passenger really add to what I said earlier. In an S-Class, every seat is S-Class. By the way, can you hear that? You're right. It's incredibly quiet in this car, and we're driving at Autobahn speeds. I can't wait for our customers to realize just how much of a coming home feeling this new S-Class is.